today I got some more happy post. I am cutting a little bit fine with some of these because they are Christmas felties. It's my own fault for not planning a little bit more forward rather than the suppliers, because embroidery does take longer than any other sort of supplies. On average, it takes 2 to 3 weeks to sort of get them processed if they're not ready stock, and obviously at the moment with postal issues and things like that, things have been delayed. So like I said, it's never the supplier's fault. It's just one of those things that occasionally happens. So I might actually have to save some of this for next year. But like I said, I like that sometimes because it means that if something isn't popular or something doesn't trend as well the next year, you could potentially have one-off stuff that isn't available the next year that makes you stand out a little bit more. So like I said, you have to think of it that way if like I said, your plans go a little bit away, like I said, because like I said, that's how things work at the moment. I might get away with a few of it for like local customers, but like I said, posting at the moment in the UK and probably around the world can be a little bit hit and miss. So like I said, entirely my fault, not anyone else's, but I wanted to show you everything because it is so pretty still. And I also, this is from a different supplier, so I'll just briefly glance at it. I have a new snap clip die, so I brought these new jumbo size clips, and I got these. I got 10 of the 70mm, 10 of the 80mm, and 10 of the 60mm to fit my new big dies. So I got those. They weren't very expensive. They were sort of 10 to 12p each, because obviously I wanted to test how they sort of fit before I buy too many at once. I don't like to buy in bulk until I'm certain how things work. I got these super cute Christmas tree embellishments, which I thought were like perfect for wrapping around certain bows. My sister does like the glitter version with these, and like I said, it looks really pretty, so I wanted to do a ribbon version, but like I said. And then I've got these two gingerbread men, and I've got Miss, I don't know whether or not you can see, I'll put it a little bit closer. There's this one, which is the Miss Gingerbread Man and the Mr. Gingerbread Man, and basically they're meant to be bow bases. So it's like you could put a glitter bow across there and use it as a back, or like I said, you could put it on top as a big felty, depending on what you personally prefer. But I really like them. It's a really pretty gold sparkly glitter. And then I got these Santa bow pieces, and obviously you put that across the middle of the bow, you put the hat in the corner, and then the legs dangling down from the centre. And again, you could use these on ribbon or glitter bows or faux leathers, however you choose to get them. And just so you know, this is all from Tania'S Felties. She's absolutely amazing. Like I said, she's got some really pretty designs, and look how cute her little thank you card and her Christmas little design is. So cute. I got the elf version of the pieces as well, and these are all uncut, so basically you cut them yourself. Where the lines are, you sort of cut round these, so you have to be quite careful. You want a nice sharp pair of fabric scissors for those. So I've got that elf version, and that's the little belt that goes with that one. I got this really pretty peacock, and again, this is meant to be like a bow base and a bow topper, and like I said, you thread your loops through these slots here, so I'm going to play around with that one and see what I come up with. But it was just so pretty, and I absolutely love the colours on that one. And then I've got these two little padded foxes, and basically you can pop like snap clips and things in them. But again, even if I use them for next year for autumn, they were just too cute to resist. And then I got these sparkly padded antlers because I wanted something to do a little bit different with some of my reindeer bows. And then I got some gold, 4 of these gold glittery antlers, and that's individually, so I got them. And this is one of my favourite ones. Look how cute these gingerbread men are. And then I got the pink version of the antlers because I was out and I really wanted them. What I'm going to do, just so you know when you're cutting your felties, I cut them down so I've got my individual pieces, and then I tend to work from, you can work either side, just don't go too close to your stitches. Normally go a couple of millimetres out. And you just cut round. And the better you are at like staying even and consistent with your edges, the nicer they tend to look. You just cut all your pieces out like this. Some companies do them cut, but they tend to charge a premium. So sometimes it's worth paying a little bit less and hand cutting and saving yourself money. And again, the reason that people sell them uncut like this is because it saves them time and saves you money. But like I said, how amazing are all these pretties? I absolutely love them. I'm going to try and make as many as I can, because I want them all in the post and out to my customers, well, the few customers that I have at the minute, before the 1st of, well, about 2nd of December, just to make sure that the people's Christmas bows get to them in time. But like I said, how cute are these little ones? I absolutely love those gingerbread felters. I really love how bright and glittery the antlers are. This, like the peacock, the base is like a leatherette, and this is like a satin feel. So like I said, it's just so pretty and like luxurious. I love these little foxy embellishments. They're so cute. Like I said, so padded and soft. Again, the elves are so glittery and so pretty. All of the bow pieces are so pretty. And it's a really, really good price on these snap clips as well. And like I said, just let me show you in hand how big they actually are. These are insanely big. And these are the 80 biggest ones. Look how big they are. So, like I said, that's everything. And that's Tania'S Felties. And I'll put the link in the description below. But like I said, do keep in mind, especially when you're ordering embroidery items, doesn't matter where you purchase them from, I will be planning at least 4 to 6 weeks in advance. So you've got plenty of time for them to get to you from the suppliers, which are normally, like I said, 14 to 21 days on average. And like I said, again, at the moment, which might continue into the beginning of 2021, considering we'll all go back into tiers instead of completely out of lockdown, I would say that, like I said, the postage is still going to be an issue for at least the first part of 2021. So like I said, just take that into consideration, planning ahead. And like I said, all of our suppliers are keeping us updated, so just bear with them. Like I said, don't be constantly messaging them and things like that. They are updating you on their Facebook groups, they're updating you in their Facebook pages, they're telling you where they are with things. So like I said, look at those posts and don't bombard them with messages, especially if you're at home with your family and you won't want your customers to message you. Please bear that in mind when you're thinking about suppliers. I know occasionally we might have thinking ahead, oh, I'll speak to such and such about so-and-so because it's just popped into my head. Fair enough, but don't expect answers until like in office times, because like I said, they need family time just as much as we do. They're as busy as we are. Some of them are a lot busier than we are, and they have all the same issues as we have with COVID regulations, kids being off school and all of that kind of thing, plus family issues. So like I said, you have to take that in consideration a little bit. So thank you for watching. I love all my new pretties. I'm now going to be inspired to go and play with everything, especially my little gingerbread. I think that's my favourite one. And I'll speak to you all soon. Bye.